Hi there, welcome back to Kingdom Wealth Creators. I know that December has been a great month for a lot of people out there, and it was the same story for us as well. Our investments here at Kingdom Wealth Creators did extremely well. We actually ended up with almost 18% return on our investments, outperforming the market by a huge margin. And for the first time, we nearly posted a profit of 10 lakhs. That's right, you heard me right. Nearly 10 lakhs. It wasn't 10 lakhs, but close enough. All right. And so let me take you through how this month panned out for us. So for us, the if you can look at the Excel sheet, this is my December FNO positions. With an investment of about 54 lakhs, we saw a return of almost 9.7 lakhs or 18%. And as you can see here, out of the total trades, 18 trades, always successful. Now, again, these are only my hedged positions. There was a loss in Reliance, almost 20,000 rupees, but that was on my Zerodha account, and that was just unhedged options. That's not there on this Excel sheet. This is just the trades that I do on Finwas. And also, it's missing the profits that I made on the Nifty and the Bank Nifty. Again, those were on the Zerodha platform. But here on Finwasir, these were the trades that I did. You can take a look here. Asian Paints, we made about 88,000 rupees. Berger Paints, we made about 25,000. Dabur, another 20,000. Dr. Reddy, another 60 almost. Exide ended up with a 40,000. Havells was probably one of our best, 1.2 lakhs. Infratel or Indus Tower, as it's known as, if you've seen the previous video, almost 1.1 lakh. And then Sun Pharma, clearly the best return for us was with Sun Pharma with almost 1.3 lakh. And again, it was a very good month. There were some shares that did really struggle, and for that, which I had to hedge a lot. But as you can see here, all of them ended up in the positive. Now, what happened in December? I think it was one day that made a whole lot of difference. And that was that Monday when the market crashed by almost 700 points intraday, roughly 400 points, 400 to 500 points, from close to open to close. And that caused a lot of damage for my positions as well. I was actually looking at almost 12 lakhs, 13 lakhs profit. But because of that, I had to close a lot of positions early, and this is what it ended up with. So let me just quickly take you through some of these positions so that you get an idea of how this went. ACC. So we entered the futures, we exited at a stop loss or loss, but then I had these positions on the PE and the CE side hedges, and these hedges worked out really well for me. And so we ended up with a small profit of 4,800 rupees on ACC. Asian Paints was initially a success story. You've probably seen the entry that I made. We entered at 2,160 something, did it at 2,480. Great, 94,000 rupees profit on the futures. And also on the hedges, we made quite a bit of money. But again, but the truth is, Asian Paints actually went up to 2,700 at the end of the month. So this was not the best return. We exited out a bit too early, but again, I'm not complaining. We made a good return there. But a lot of hedging happened. Okay, well, I want you to know that December I was very proactive in hedging a lot, and that you can see here. Budget Paints was another great story here. I didn't take it was just initial strangles that I started off with, and eventually, Budget Paints went above 700, which I wasn't expecting. So then I had to do a lot of adjustments. You can see here the 720p, the 730p's that I sold. So a lot of adjustments made in between, and Budget Paints still a good profit of 26. It's really nice. Cipla, again, this was done on Finwasir, but again, it was not a hedged position. I exited very quickly, made a bit of money, and then Dabur was a good story. In fact, Dabur is now at about 530 plus, so a really good story in itself. But I didn't continue in that position on Monday. On that Monday, when the market crashed, I exited almost all my future positions, and after that was just options that I worked on. But again, here almost 20,000 rupees there, and so this goes on. Okay, one position that really stood out, like I said, was Sun Pharma. Sun Pharma, we bought in at 507, sold at about 562, 561, 562. And that was a profit of 76, but we got nearly double that profit from hedges. Okay, almost 54,000 from the hedges plus the 76 plus to almost 1.3 lakh. Amazing return. So I'm just very grateful to God for all the way He gave us wisdom to do this, and I'm really grateful to everybody who's also benefited from this, from learning how to do their investments well. So that's it. You can see here how we made almost 9.7 lakhs return on our investments of 54 lakhs in this month of December. That was an outstanding return of almost 18%. Incredible. I think this is the best performance we have seen from us in this short period of time, from the time we started trading FNO in July till now. This has been the best return we've had ever. And so, once again, if you are interested in learning more about how to invest in the stock market, I definitely think you should, get in touch with Kingdom Wealth Creators and learn how to succeed in the stock market. God bless you all.